Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you remove this window, your front window, in preparation to be able to replace and repair a window regulator. So to start with, and I did this before I took off the door panel or the electrics here. Otherwise, you'd have to rehook it back up. I mean, this is the whole separate unit, so you can easily just hook it up, but you'd have to hook the battery back up as it was been disconnected because of the airbag sensor that's over here. All right, so you would have to hook back up, and then you'd have to raise it up. But I had done a preliminary measurement on the outside here, and this window can be between 3.5 to 4 inches tall from the outer side here to top here, and that way the bolts that we need to undo behind this cover and the 2 bolts here that hold the window in place are in the right orientation, so we don't have to do hooking things back up and so forth. It's already there. So start with, remove this cover, pop it off. And then we've got a size number 10 here. And we've got a number 10 here. You're going to have to pull this plastic off a little bit to get to that one. Once it's undone, you do your best not to drop the bolt in there. If you just need to replace the glass, I guess you're going to take the whole thing off so that you can vacuum out the glass. But so we just peel this cover back. It's got an adhesive glue on here. We just peel it back enough to get the access we need to undo this bolt here. And just loosen that bolt or remove it. And now, all you got to do is just take the window, pull it up, bring it at an angle. So when you remove the front windows, you're going to pull it straight up a bit, but then you're going to drop the front down, and then bring it at an angle, and you just remove and pull out the whole window like that. And that's how you remove the glass in preparation to get for a window regulator. Say your window regulator's gone bad and you've been able to, or you know that it's going bad, it's getting really weak to go up and down. This is how you can remove it. If it is bad, you have to do your best probably to pull that window up initially or manually. Get your hand down here and pull on the mechanism. And we're going to get to where we take that off, but you would have to pull that up high enough to be able to get this bolt out at least. So that's how you remove the glass. If you're going to you're ready to put the glass back in, you just, when you need to put the glass back in, just at an angle again on the front, as gentle as you can. And then once you get it in past the door frame, then you put it back straight and get it into the glides on the sides here. And then you just push it down until you feel the resistance, and then your bolt holes will line up. Put the bolts in, tighten them up, and then your window would be replaced. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.